Oh my God. Uncover this golden paper, for truth is hidden underneath it. It's like that. This gold paper is not gold, it just appears to be. Is this gold? Only the color, isn't it? What's in the golden paper? There is an Upanishad verse, an ancient verse. It says, oh my God, uncover this golden paper, for truth is hidden underneath it. Huh? Which color? Which color do you like? Huh? That one definitely does not. One, it's fun. Two, what's in it? Another cover. This is only for decoration. Like the balls on the Christmas tree, inside them there is nothing. One more cover. That's how the world is. It comes to you in so many wrappers, you remove it, finally you find nothing in it. So better put it back in the wrapper and keep it, it's nice.